In this video, we will discuss a 5-minute scalping trading strategy using the ultimate buy and sell indicator. This 5-minute scalping strategy is quite effective and can be applied to various markets, such as Forex, crypto, gold, and others. It's important to note that with just this one indicator, you will have access to approximately 10 different indicator components that you can utilize. Don't miss out on this video to avoid any misinformation about what we will be presenting. Please support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Before we delve into discussing this indicator, let's add the indicator that will be used on your trading chart. Go to Trading View, then navigate to the Indicator Search tab and type in the Ultimate Buy and Sell Indicator. Choose the Ultimate Buy and Sell Indicator by Sherlock MacGyver. As mentioned earlier, this indicator comprises 10 components that are encapsulated within it. And here are some components of the indicator that you can use when utilizing this tool: RSI or Relative Strength Index, Bollinger Bands, ATR or Average True Range, Moving Average, Buy and Sell Signals, RSI Price Divergence, MACD or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, DPO Ribbon, Rate of Change, Multi-Timeframe Signals. These components provide a comprehensive set of tools for your trading analysis when using the ultimate buy and sell indicator. You can manually configure each component of the indicator according to your specific needs. In this video, I will provide an example of the simplest settings when using the ultimate buy and sell indicator, along with the functions and how to place buy and sell orders. In this example, we will use the GBP/USD pair with a 5-minute time frame. Set the pair to GBP/USD, and then adjust the time frame to 5 minutes. Before we proceed with the settings for the ultimate buy and sell indicator, let's remove the default trading view candlesticks. The purpose of removing the default candlesticks is to allow for clearer visibility of the color changes in the candlesticks. Click on the 3 dots next to the pair name, then simply choose Hide. Now, we will be using the colored candlesticks provided by the indicator. Rest assured, these candlesticks are essentially the same as the default trading view candlesticks. Now, let's proceed with the configuration of the ultimate buy and sell indicator. Follow these steps. 1. Go to the Settings tab of the ultimate buy and sell indicator, and adjust the settings as follows. 2. Under the Show Hide All option, activate only the selections for Bollinger Band Basis, Bollinger Bands, RSI Colored Candles, and Show ATR Fill Colors. 3. After that, deactivate any other tabs that were not mentioned earlier. 4. Then, disable the Watch Signal option. 5. Next, enter the RSI setting. Adjust the RSI settings as follows. Change the RSI length to 14. Set Calculate RSI to EMA. In RSI Basis Moving Average, switch it to EMA. Lastly, change the RSI basis length to 14. 6. After that, enter the Price Bollinger Band setting. In this section, you only need to change the moving average type to EMA. 7. In the ATR setting, deactivate the ATR Watch Signal option and change it to ATR Bollinger Band. 8. Next, enter the Moving Average setting. In this section, you can remove all indicators in the Moving Average setting. 9. In the Buy-Sell Signal option, you can also remove all indicators in this section. 10. Lastly, remove the indicator in the yellow RSI setting. Once you have completed these adjustments, click OK to confirm the changes. In this discussed strategy, you only need to pay attention to a few key elements to use it effectively. 1. Candlestick color. If the candlestick is green, it indicates a bullish trend. Conversely, if the candlestick is red, it signals a bearish trend. You can disregard other candlestick colors when employing the trading approach outlined in this video. 2. Bullish divergence and bearish divergence. A green line indicates a bullish divergence, serving as a signal for a potential upward market movement. Conversely, a red line signals a bearish divergence, suggesting a potential downward market movement. These divergence signals act as entry points for your trades. 3. ATR, Average True Range. ATR is utilized for placing stop-loss points when entering trades. For a sell entry, the stop-loss is placed at the highest point on the ATR line. Conversely, for a buy entry, the stop-loss is placed at the lowest point on the ATR line. 4th, Bollinger Bands. For the Bollinger Bands indicator, we will only focus on the basis line. When there is a signal to place an order, it is crucial to ensure that the price candlestick has broken out beyond the basis line of the Bollinger Bands. The upper Bollinger Band is primarily used to confirm the existing trend in the market. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using the 5-minute scalping strategy with the ultimate buy and sell indicator. How to place a buy order. 1. If the indicator signals a bullish divergence, it serves as the initial buy entry signal. 2. Wait until the candlestick changes to green. 3. Ensure that the candlestick closes above the Bollinger Bands basis line, indicated by the green color of the Bollinger Bands. 4. Once all conditions are met, execute the buy entry after the completion of a green candlestick. 5. Place the stop loss at the lowest point on the ATR line. 6. Use a target take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. 1. If the indicator signals a bearish divergence, it serves as the initial sell entry signal. 2. Wait until the candlestick changes to red. 3. Ensure that the candlestick closes below the Bollinger Bands basis line, indicated by the red color of the Bollinger Bands. 4. Once all conditions are met, execute the sell entry after the completion of a red candlestick. 5. Place the stop loss at the highest point on the ATR line. 6. Use a target take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. 1. If the indicator signals a bullish divergence, it serves as the initial buy entry signal. 2. Wait until the candlestick changes to green. 3. Ensure that the candlestick closes above the Bollinger Bands basis line, indicated by the green color of the Bollinger Bands. 4. Once all conditions are met, execute the buy entry after the completion of a green candlestick. 5. Place the stop loss at the lowest point on the ATR line. 6. Use a target take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Note, you can only place one position when using this 5-minute scalping strategy. If an order is still open, refrain from entering additional positions. Maintain prudent money management and trading psychology. That concludes this video. Until next time, happy trading.